Hello?
Hello, Amara, my friend. How are you doing?
Yeah. Who is this? Only Neku. Is that Eso? SOG! Nice hearing from you. I'm so happy, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, no, I'm fine. Chai! Now look at Toka. Hey, how are you? How are you? How is the city now? Why? What is going on?
Well, the city is okay. Or trying. Tell me, how is life in the village?
You sound like always, oh. No, life is very hard in the village. Eh? It is even harder now than when you left.
So tell me, how are you coping?
Coping, kwa. My dear, still struggling now. Breaking lemons every day. It's not easy at all. Esonchi, listen, don't allow anybody to distract you. If you have anything that's giving you money and is paying your bills, my dear, hold it tight as if your life depends on it. Living independently and still doing well in this present condition of our country is a good news. It's a blessing from God. And anyone trying to distract you is being manipulated by your village people. Don't even give them room for anything like distraction. Focus on anything you're doing. Yes.
I understand. Listen, everything will be okay very soon, okay? Before I forget, my regards to my parents.
Of course I will. I will send your regards to her. And please, one more thing. Biko, ejimafa Chineke n'ụwa gị. Try and work hard. See, this our condition is no good at all. Make us proud. Take us out from this hardship. I beg. Your mother is suffering and your best friend is also suffering. Since you're there, work hard, focus, so that you can take away this suffering from us, I beg. You know? Biko.
Thank you so much. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay?
Take care of yourself, eh?
Alright, my friend. Bye for now.
Mama. Okay. Somchi. Lekwa ka only that gay. Money is good though. Money is good.
I left home in penury to come here. The land is obviously greener here. But here I am, sitting on the fence between friendship and prosperity. Which do I choose? Sonia wants to terminate my job on the altar of revenge. And she wants to make me remain dependent on her. God knows how long. Come to think of it, is it not better that I sacrifice our friendship on the altar of success and become independent? Either way, one person must be offended. And I can't displease myself to please anybody else. I just can't.
Oh, that's by the way. Can you drive?
Yes, sir. I learned to drive in driving school, believing that one day I'll own a car by the grace of God.
Okay, that's good. I have something for you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, the car there is for you, and there's the key to the car. Have it. Yeah, it's for you. Go and check it out, okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Go check it out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh my God, thank you, sir.
Okay, you like it? You like
it? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right,
God bless you, sir. God
okay,
continue to bless you, sir.
Let me show you to your apartment, okay? Follow me.
Apartment? House? Oh my God, oh God.
Yeah, come in. This is the place.
What have I done to deserve this?
It's alright, 5-year rent has been paid. Okay? The car, the properties are yours.
Sorry, sir. Am I still the secretary of your company, or have been promoted to the post of the CEO?
Listen, every other thing that follows are influenced by my friend, who is also a shareholder in our company.
Your friend? Who's that?
Okay. You're welcome, man.
You?
Yeah, me. You see, I've been trying to talk to you for some time now. We have met countless times. Sometimes on my way to work, sometimes on my way back from work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. You see, I was actually trying to get the right colors, so I chose blue. I hope you don't mind.
Thank you, sir. I like everything. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey. I love you. I can't hide it no more.
I've actually waited a long time to hear you say, I love you too.
So, why didn't you say it for some time?
Because...
Guess what?
My mom said that the man is supposed to make the first move. No, I was waiting for you to make the first move.
Okay, so now you're the first move. Oh, sorry.
I'm still here.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Okay. Hey, stop. Don't be like that. Okay, so at least offer your visitor a seat now.
Please sit anywhere. Just sit down anywhere. Just sit.
I prefer here with my own boy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
From the first day.
Subji, you are such an ingrate. After all I have done for you, you stabbed me at my back, right? Why are you like this?
I don't know what you're referring to.
You don't know what I am referring to!
But Sonia, listen. You know where I come from. You know what I've been through. Sonia, it's only fair. I enjoy a little bit of happiness.
Esonchi, at the expense of my happiness. I am disappointed in you. I am surprised.
We can fix this.
What can we fix? We cannot fix anything. I give you 5 minutes to get your things out of my house now.
Sonia, please.
Don't hear me. Leave. Leave my house. Sonia. Leave now. Get your things out of my house.
I know there is something about you. Ever since that I met you, I can't stop thinking about you. There's this beautiful feeling inside my heart. No matter how I try, I cannot get you out of my mind. Then I realize that this is love, love. I can't stop loving you, babe. This is love, love, yeah. It is love, oh, this is love, love. I can't stop loving you. This is love, love, yeah. Oh, look into my eyes and tell me what you see. Oh, you are the only one my heart will beat for. From the first day I met you, I know there is something about you. Ever since I met you, I can't stop thinking about you. There's this
Yes.
feeling inside my heart. No matter how I try, I cannot get you out of my mind. Then I realize that this is love.
You bring me peace of mind.
You've added value to my life and I appreciate you. I've said yes to you already. I can't wait to say I do.
So tell your people I'm coming.
So soon?
Let everybody know so soon. I can't wait for you to be mine.
I can't wait either.
It's coming very soon. So soon. Our child will be right here.
Excuse me?
I'm just thinking the space. How many do you want to have first? Twins? Triplets?
So all of a sudden, it's so cheap. It's getting married to Mike. What a world. When they say that life is not balanced, it is true. Too much problem everywhere. Could it be that I am fighting with my destiny? I don't even know what to say right now. I am so dumbfounded. I feel so bad about myself. Well, I wish her well. Congratulations to you, Isochi. I wish you well. It's so unfortunate for me.
It's some cheese.
Yeah.
Are you surprised to see me?
How did you know my house?
I found out myself. I think you're surprised to see me. Because deep down in your hearts, you see me as a bad person.
No.
Yes, of course.
No, it's not
you
that.
feel I am bad.
It's not that. It's just that
I wasn't expecting to see you, like, suddenly, you know.
It's fine, it's fine. I'm here now. Actually saw your post on Facebook. You never told me you were about to get married.
Oh, that.
It's fine, it's fine.
I'm sorry. Don't worry, I'll tell you about it.
I understand. I know you have a lot on your heart.
Yeah, just come in. Come in.
Your house is fine anyway.
Thank you.
Babe, you're just glowing. See the way your skin is shining.
My sister, it's just God though. It's God.
How is your wedding preparation?
That. So, you know, ever since I left the village, I haven't seen my parents. So, yes, I would like to go and see them first before I make any preparation.
Well, that's not a bad idea. So when are we leaving? Yes. I can't wait to see your troublesome mother.
You mean you want to travel home with me?
Of course. Hey, I have to travel with you. You know, you came into this town with nothing. All of a sudden, you got a good job, well paid, a car, and above all, a wealthy man that you're about to even get married to. You are so lucky. And I think I have to tap from this lesson because I am following you. Yes, so no leave, no transfer.
So now you won't kill me. Well, thank you. Thank you, Scott.
It's God. Babe, I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much.
So happy for you.
I'm so happy you're
Congratulations
here.
once again.
Thank you.
I wish I was you, Jerry. You're just so lucky. I envy you. Good job.
Yes, it is my car. I made it. I finally made it. I'm so happy. Yes, I told you. I know, right?
Don't worry, we can do this at home.
You will not understand how both of us suffered in this village. And now we made it. We finally made it. We made it.
You are Amara, right?
Yes, she's
Okay,
Amara.
Amara, I've heard so much about you,
No
Amara.
problem.
You can enter the car. This is your excitement.
Amara, we don't.
Mama!
Jesus! Mama!
Hey! Jump.
Mama.
Get up! One more. Hey!
I made them on my way. Mama.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I was so scared I wouldn't see you again.
Mama, I am back and I'm even better than before.
You look it, Mama, you look it.
Mama, Sonia, please sit. Mama, sit.
Mama.
Thank you, Mama. How have you been? Oh, Mama, I missed you.
My friend.
It's okay.
Mama, it's okay.
Mama, don't cry again now.
Okay.
Your daughter is back to take care of you.
It's okay,
Mama. All your prayers have been answered. Don't cry. Mama, how have you been? Mama, I've missed you. Sonia, please sit.
Okay.
Mama, please sit down. Mama, my friend Sonia. Mama, Mama is okay.
I'm crying. She's here.
Hey, Mama.
Thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Thank you. No, now I go.
What about your friend Sonia?
But she's very tired. She's sleeping already.
Yeah. I hope Amara is not going home this night though. It's late already.
No, Mama. She's still in the kitchen doing the dishes. She said she will sleep over. She said to herself.
Thank God. No. Sorry. I'm sorry for what I put you through. Oh? Honestly, I don't know what came into my head. Please, forgive me.
Mama, you have nothing to be sorry about. Eh? You're my mother. I believe you're trying to look out for me. That's why you did what you did, not because you hate me. After all, you're my mom.
My dear, you said you found a man after your heart.
Yes, Papa.
It's all right. But I will advise you spend more time with him for you to understand who he is before making your decision.
Papa, I know I have made the best decision. He's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Besides, he told me to ask you when you would like him to come and see you formally.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll check my calendar. Then I'll get back to you tomorrow morning.
Okay, Papa. Thank you.
Thank God, oh. Thank God. At least the right man has come.
Mama.
Mom, thank God you did not listen to me. Oh. Eh? Thank God you did not listen to me. If you had listened to me, Otuakamaka is a Maggie widow at this age. God forbid, one. Do you know that? What is that man's name? That chief?
Chief Ibe.
Do you know that Chief Ibe died in his car making love to a woman if he fell? Eh?
Thank God, though. I really dodged a bullet.
You did. You touched one woman. He said, "Hey,
it's okay, my dear. It's okay."
Listen, you. You know you're my sister now.
And you're my sister too.
Yeah, I'm your sister. But I must tell you the truth. Honestly, I'm not comfortable with the way you brought me. This gets too close to you. I mean, someone that has shown so much animosity.
Well, you also have to remember that she showed me so much love before she changed.
I know, but you don't have to bring her that close. You should distance yourself a little while now. But remember, the same man she hated so much is the man you're getting married to.
So, what are you trying to say? Are you saying she will hurt me?
I never said that, Ekurumia, at all. I only said a goat that goes to the river bank should beware of crocodiles. Think about it. Okay?
You have nothing to worry about, okay?
I have.
Trust me. Everything is fine.
Be careful. I don't like her.
I am always careful.
my friend.
Again.
You're looking.
Well, what can I do?
Sexy, baby. I love this.
Guys, next week is around the corner. Everything is ready.
I have a problem with the time frame. It's too urgent. Are you sure people will turn up?
I don't even want people to turn up. I don't want a flamboyant wedding. I just want few people, you know, family, friends, just get together. And so I'm cool. I'm cool with the few people that have given my invitation.
Mickey, you see, something is seriously bothering me. Seriously.
What is it?
I saw Sonia running around with SMG, and that did not go down well with me. I know that girl. I know what she's capable of doing.
Exactly my thought. I was so happy when I heard they'd separated. So how come they reconciled?
Well, I asked this Chi and she said both of them are back together as friends. I will not tell her to avoid her old-time friend now.
You should, Mickey. You should. You know why I said so? The consequences of the alliance will be grief. I tell you, it will. And you never can tell. I pray she doesn't pull a dangerous stunt on that day. I pray.
Clear your mouth here. So you don't say that again. You guys, don't ever say that again. Nothing will happen on my wedding. On my wedding day will go as smooth as ever. Don't say that again, please. I'm glad you cleaned that up.
That's a prayer.
So, nothing was really here and you asked me to, and I foolishly cleaned. Mickey, you are just a madman.
Hey, no, but why would you say that?
I thought something was here and I Mickey,
I was even looking at you.
I thought.
Hey, Sonia.
Good day, Mike.
Good afternoon. Come in, let me drop you off.
Oh, no, thank you. I am actually close to where I'm going to.
Oh, okay. Please, can you do me a favor?
What is it?
At your spare time, can you help me stop by my house and check on that pregnant girl? Maybe check if she needs anything. You know, you're a woman. And I feel she can open up to you.
Mike. Alright, it's fine. I hope she opens up to me when I get there.
I feel so, because I feel she's not so relaxed with me, so she can tell you whatever she needs. Just help me get it and send me the bill.
It's alright, no problem.
I hope I'm not asking for much, though.
No, you're not.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, have a nice day.
Bye.
Please, is the pregnant girl inside?
She's in. You mean my Oga wife?
Whatever you call it, I want to see the pregnant lady.
She's inside. As you go ahead, I tell her when she dey come out, come receive fresh. You know, since that time when my Oga carry her, she know they come again.
stupid? I said I want to see the pregnant girl inside. You're speaking stupid. See, I don't have time for plenty talk. What's the meaning of that? Please let me go and see her. Nonsense.
No be make us waiting dey happen. Una no dey carry am on top of my own head.
Good day, mother. Good day. How are you? I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Mike sent me to come and see you to know if you need anything.
Nothing. I don't need anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're not feeling any pains, like abdominal pains or something?
No, ma. As you can see, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Are you hungry?
Not really, ma.
You don't need anything?
No, ma. The food and fruits he bought for me the other day are not finished yet. Well, I may need more, but in the evening.
It's alright. Okay. I'll be taking my leave. I'll see you later.
Okay. Okay, ma. Thank you so much.
Take good care of yourself.
Alright. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
How do you school without this dog?
What kind of stupid question is that? Eh? I can see you don't know how to mind your business. Yes, you should learn to mind your business at your duty post. Do you understand me?
Oh, they vex now.
Which one you not vex? See, take your time.
Madam, I'm just being caring now. She's always inside alone.
My friend, open the gate. When your oga comes, you will ask him that kind of question if she has given birth. What? Very stupid. Get away from my side. I mean, nonsense gets mad at this job.
Who is she? This is Sochima. She is my only sister. I miss her so much. I wish she were here. Alright. What happened to her? It's a long story. One evil woman took her to the city under the pretext that she was going to train her in school. It was only after Sochima was missing we found out that she had been hawking for this same woman. Oh my God. This is really bad.
So you haven't found her till now?
No, we haven't. But I have the belief that someday soon she will come back. We'll find her. But for now, I have to take this inside because if Mama sees this, she will start to lament all over again.
Alright, it's fine. What a world.
It's a lie. Mickey, I told you that girl was an Obanje. I told you, but you never believed me. You doubted me. No, tell me now. Tell me. How did she find out? How did she discover this?
If it's true, that means I'm dead.
So, what are we going to do? I mean, what do we do?
We need to find out if it's true.
I don't know. I
true, that means we have to do something. We surely have to do it. Hi! Are you joking?
Not. I don't know how she discovered. I don't know who told her. I don't know.
How can you say you don't know who told her? How can you say you don't know who told her?
Okay, calm down. Just calm down. Just take it easy, okay? Take it easy.
Honey, I was about to go to the motor park to get my parents and Amara, who just got into town. I want to bring them here.
Okay, please, quick one before you go.
Okay.
I want to ask something, if you don't mind.
What is it? Because both of you are looking troubled.
Oh, no, not really. Not really. We just wanted to confirm something before you leave.
Okay.
Okay. Sonia said, yeah, I overheard Sonia telling someone that your sister has been missing for quite some time now. Until now, she hasn't been found. Is that true?
Yeah. That's true.
What's her name?
Her name is Sochima. Why?
Do you have a picture?
Yes. Do you have a picture?
Of course I do. She's my sister, but you're beginning to scare me. What's going on?
No, it's nothing. I mean, it's based on what I heard. We just wanted to confirm. It's just to see the picture.
Oh.
I mean, we are one family, right? Can we please see the picture?
It's okay, I'll just get it. I think I have one here. That's Achima.
Okay. Yeah. No, she's not who we thought she is. She's taking identity.
It's okay. But do you know her?
No, I've not seen this face before.
It's okay. But in case you see anyone who looks like her, just tell me, okay? So I could go. I can recognize my sister anywhere. I can't just wait to see her again.
Oh, my love, you don't have to be worried about this. I hope you know, okay?
I know, we're gonna find her real soon.
All right. You said, would you keep the picture? Since it's not the person we thought. You said your parents are in town.
Yes. Oh, I forgot about. Yes, they are.
Okay. So you have to go pick them.
Of course.
While I run along to sort some things out.
It's okay. Take care of yourself, okay?
And you too.
Waiting for us.
Sunshine?
Who is your sunshine? Hmm? Who is your sunshine? And where the hell are you coming from? Oh, you left me all alone in this house because you went out with another girl. You went clubbing with another girl. That is it.
Sunshine. Where do you always get this stale information from? Where do you get it from? I mean, it amazes me how you hallucinate sometimes. Can we go to bed, please?
I am not going anywhere. You have to explain to me where you are coming from. Talk to me!
Okay. I went somewhere with Michael and Peter. They dropped me off at the gate here because I told them you're waiting for me at home.
Oh. You dropped Mike and whatever somewhere. And you forgot that I am waiting for you here in your house. So the place you went to doesn't have a name, right?
Sunshine, please don't stress me. Please don't start this nagging.
So I am stressing you, isn't it? I am stressing you. That's what you're trying to say. Oh, please let me go out. Leave me!
It's a secret.
What secret? Oh, so you keep secrets from me now. I no longer know my place in your life, H4. Why are you doing this to me? I tell you everything about me. You now keep secrets from me. I am done with all of this. I am tired!
That pregnant girl is dead.
What? I don't understand. What happened to her? I saw her today. So...
Michael said he came back from work and found the poor innocent girl dead.
This is bad news. Alright, so what's going to happen? I think you guys have to report this to the police. Yes.
Please?
Yes, of course.
The police will never believe us and think we killed her.
God. So what are you going to do? What's up, God? What's going to happen? Talk to me. Please.
Can you keep a secret?
I don't understand.
Sunshine, can you keep a secret?
Alright. Yes, just tell me.
We threw her body into the river.
What? Jeez.
Sonia, I love you from the depth of my heart. Do you love me? Do you love me? Talk to me. Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Keep this a secret. Please. Secret.
Guys, I thought we agreed that this thing should be between the three of us.
Exactly! Was that not what we said? How did she get to know about this? Was that what we agreed on? Was that what you fucking agreed on? Was that what we agreed on?
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. Sorry, it's okay. Calm down. I'm not saying.
Think for what?
Thank you. Answer what? So you had to lay the cat out of the bag.
When I told you this fool is a talker, what did I tell you? Did I tell you?
It's okay.
Just calm down. Why you always behaving like this?
That night she kept asking me, she kept asking me persistently.
And you told her! You could have told her another thing, something else. And you told her!
Sorry, don't stop. It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. Calm down.
Now, what do we do? Is it not obvious that this may ruin my wedding? What do we do?
Come on, let me just think of something. You know what? Let's pay her off.
Pay who off, Sonia? Sonia!
Yes, let's pay her off.
Shut the fuck up! Quiet. You were not supposed to be hearing this thing. We are talking. Look at us. Look at us.
Jesus! Hey! This house? Are you living in this house alone? Only you?
Mama, it's been good. It's been good.
Jehovah Shammah.
Mom, I am proud of you.
Thank you, Baba.
My friend did not shock us!
Alright. We were talking about the car. Now look at where your daughter is.
Hey!
Upper mansion. Upper mansion.
Papa, let's go inside.
Upper mansion.
You don't shock us. You don't shock us.
Mama, please, let's go inside so you can drink water at least. Come inside.
Where do we enter? This or?
Just straight. No, this straight. This one. Yeah, straight. Let's go straight.
Hey! Jesus! Hey! What Igbo Odogu? Igbo Odogu! Yay!
So you guys have the minds to come and beg me. And you want me to forgive you?
Sonia, please. Forgive us, okay? Forget about the past. We're sorry. Sonia. Please. I don't even know what to say please to you. But let's have a deal. Tell us anything you want us to pay. We will pay. Please. Let's forget about this, please. Please.
Even you, Mike. You have the mouth to talk. I would have been happily married by now. I begged you. I went down crying to you. I even talked about my wedding that is coming up in 2 weeks. But no. Because you have a very big mouth. You opened your mouth to talk. Why are you like this, Mike? It's your fault. Why are you mute? You do not have anything to talk about. Eh? You have the mind to cancel our wedding after sharing invitation cards everywhere. You were so mean, Ejiofor. I hate you. You are so wicked. Because of what you had, you cancelled everything, Ejiofor. Why? Why are you like this? And now you have the mind to come and beg me. What goes around comes back around. Remember, karma is real.
Sonia, are you justifying why you wait for the day to die a few weeks to
Are you trying to bring up my past?
Sorry, it's not over here. Why would you say? Idiot.
It's okay. I give you a few seconds to leave my house now.
Sonia.
Don't!
Sonia, please. Sonia, please. Please. Sonia, please. Just tell us anything you want us to pay. Pay, please. Please.
Do you know what you did to me? You ruined my life.
Sonia, it's okay, please. Sonia, please.
I would have been happily married.
Sonia, we can amend
Just
this thing now.
Leave!
He's still single.
Leave my house now.
He's still single.
I am not interested. Just
out of my house. Leave my house now.
Sonia, please.
I said... You can go.
Baby, I can't wait to say I do.
Same here. I can't wait to tell the whole world how much I love you.
Just like that.
Just like that. You become Miss, I become Mr. Miss and Mrs.
Baby. Hey guys.
Lovebirds. I can see you guys are enjoying yourself.
Baby. I need to go ease myself. I'll be right back, okay?
Oh, okay.
Don't miss me too much.
No. I'm here.
I'm coming. Okay, darling.
Sonia, please. Can we talk briefly?
Talk about what?
Please now. Please. Please come.
What's it?
Come, please. Please. I am begging you. What is it that you want? Just name it. I will do it for you. Just tell me anything you want me to pay. I will pay. But just let this thing go, please. I'm begging you.
Just tell me anything you want to pay. I'll pay. If I wanted to say it, I would have said it a long time ago. Do you understand? I mean, the wedding is just in 2 days' time.
Why are you doing this? Is this your plan to ruin this marriage, please? Please, you don't have to do this to me, please. I'm begging you with everything you serve. Please, can you let this thing go? Just let it be bygone, please. Please.
Can you let all these things go? Just let it be bygone. You have to pay me 20 million naira. Yes!
Which one is 20 million?
Oh, shut up!
You're shouting. You're shouting.
Which one is I thought you said you have the money.
Can you reduce your voice?
Do not pull me into anger.
So it was 20 million is too much. So I really, really appreciate the way you always handle that. Without you, what would she have done?
Yes, of
She
course.
has been like an angel to me.
I hope you heard what I said.
Such an angel.
Okay, I'm happy.
Please, thank you.
No problem.
Sonia.
She's an amazing creature.
Of course she is.
How are you?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes, I am. It's just that I've been having this really strange feeling. I don't know what it is, but...
Oh, wow, my girl. You don't need to stress your little head. You see, we're having a very massive event where people from different places will be attending. So, if there's anything the devil doesn't want is events like that, because it's big and fun, happy. The devil doesn't want us to be happy. So he must, try to fight to ruin it. But God will not allow that to happen, okay? We're going to have an excellent event, happy event, where people will come and believe.
Okay, you say so. I trust you.
Don't let no one ruin it, okay?
Says, God. Tomorrow is a big day. So you have to be happy.
I am happy. In fact, I am the happiest person in the whole world right now.
Oh my God. That's
It's just
lovely.
that, I don't know, there's this strange feeling I keep having. I just can't seem to figure it out.
Biko, please. I'm begging in the name of God. Ejima Chineke na yoga. Please. Whatever it is, whatever problem it is, just keep it aside till after your wedding. Okay?
Yes, very good, mother.
That's my baby. A high five for that. So, what will you like me to?
Nothing.
Oh, I am going home, but I'll be back shortly. Don't miss me too much.
Oh, okay. I'll see you later, okay?
Sweetheart, there's something I think you would like to know.
What is it?
Don't worry, when I'm back, I'll tell you.
No, you're not going to do that. I want to hear it right now. Please just tell me. Please tell me.
You two like I'm a ball.
Please tell me, please.
I don't want to tell you now. When I'm back, just take good care of yourself.
Are you sure?
I am. All right.
Bye.
Enjoy yourself.
Of course I will.
See you soon. Okay.